In this video, we are going to be making a Hexagon wall mount PC case.
So we're just trying to find a measurement with a wristwood. So we decided that it's 30 cm and this will be 20 to fit the PSU. Yeah, so this is the motherboard and that's the AIO cooler radiator. Yeah, all looking good. So we're going to cut.
We cut the hexagon shape with the miter saw to achieve perfect accuracy of all the side angle. Set the angle of the miter saw to 30 degrees and cut the edge of the wood. After cutting one of the edge, just turn over the wood and cut the other side of the edge. And repeat for the rest of the 6 wood edges. Now we're going to glue the wood together to get that hexagon shape. Place the outer side of the wood up, lay it straight, tape it, flip it, and glue the edges. After apply the glue, flip it sideways and just form the hexagon shape. And don't forget to also apply the glue at the end of the hexagon, cause we forgot about it.
So we already left the glue to dry, and now we're going to measure the base of the hexagon. So we're going to use a plywood for this, plywood to 90 times 70, and then we're going to cut all the sides and go to the base. So.
After the glue for the hexagon has dried, apply wood putty to all the corners to cover any gaps on the inside and out. After the wood putty has dried, sand the hexagon to get a smooth finish.
Okay, so we already made the measurement for the motherboard, CIO, and also the PSU. So as you see, we're going to make a hole over here for the cables for the PSU. As for the AIO, so we made a small hole back here for the fan cable and also for the motherboard. These are aluminum frame for the motherboard, and also we made a hole here for all the cables to go inside here to the back. Okay, so let's go for cutting the holes. Let's go.
What we're doing here, we glue this wood at the back of the case to have space for cable management.
So we're just going to leave the glue dry for 24 hours. As you can see, we only have 2 clamps for now. So we just put whatever we have on top of here. Yeah, perfect.
Hold up. Before we continue, we made a mistake of choosing the finish that I'm going to mention in this video. The black doesn't turn out to our expectation. This particular finish is for reapplying on old furniture to give the old furniture a new lease of life, not to be used for unfinished wood. Just my suggestion, if you want to change the color of the wood, use a wood dye, and after that you can finish it with varnish, lacquer or any other type of finish of your preference. And with that, let's continue the video.
So the inside all will be gloss black. We'll be using the Nippon Paint Timber Black gloss black, and all the sides we'll be using walnut gloss tip from. Okay, so we complete the build for the wall mount keys that we call the Hive, and now we're going to install all the MSI components on here. I'm going to leave all the components specs in the description below.
We use French cleat to hang the PC case.